Look up at the night sky. Thousands of stars, millions more beyond what we can see. For centuries, humans have wondered, are we truly alone in this vast cosmic ocean? Or is there someone or something out there staring back at us? The universe is big, really big. The observable universe is about 93 billion light years across. That's a number so large it barely makes sense. And within it are roughly 2 trillion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Around those stars, countless planets orbit in the darkness. Statistically, it feels almost impossible for us to be the only intelligent life. Yet, here we are, looking, waiting, wondering. This paradox, where probability says life should be everywhere, but we see nothing, is known as the Fermi Paradox. Physicist Enrico Fermi asked the famous question, where is everybody? If life is common, why haven't we heard a single signal? Why haven't they found us? Maybe the answer is simple. Life is incredibly rare. We don't know how life began on Earth. Maybe it required a series of impossibly lucky events that almost never happen. If that's true, then Earth might be the ultimate cosmic jackpot, a freak accident in a lifeless universe. But what if life isn't rare? What if the galaxy is full of civilizations? Then the question becomes, why are they hiding? Some scientists think of something called the Great Filter, a barrier that stops life from advancing. Maybe most civilizations wipe themselves out before they can travel the stars. Nuclear war, climate collapse, uncontrolled AI, things we humans are already playing with. Maybe the reason we don't hear anyone else is because they're all gone. But there's another possibility, one that's even more unsettling. What if they're out there and they're deliberately silent? Think about it. If the galaxy is dangerous, the smart move might be to hide, not to broadcast your location to potential predators. Some scientists call this the dark forest theory. Imagine a dark forest at night, filled with hunters. Everyone stays quiet because making a sound means death. If that's true, then every signal we've ever sent into space, every radio broadcast, every TV show, was like lighting a flare in the darkness, and maybe someone noticed. Of course, we've been listening too. For decades, projects like SETI have scanned the skies for signals. So far, nothing. No alien radio stations, no cosmic greetings, just silence. But silence doesn't mean emptiness. Our galaxy alone has hundreds of billions of stars. Our technology can only listen to a tiny fraction of them. For all we know, the universe could be buzzing with life, just out of our reach. And then there's the weird stuff, strange signals that pop up and vanish. The famous WOW signal in 1977, a powerful radio burst from deep space that lasted 72 seconds and never repeated. Was it aliens? Probably not, but we can't explain it either. And there are thousands of mysterious fast radio bursts we've detected in recent years. Most have natural explanations. Most, but not all. Then there's the possibility that we're looking for the wrong thing. We expect aliens to communicate like us, with radio, with technology we understand. But what if their technology is so advanced, it's indistinguishable from magic? What if they live in forms we can't comprehend? Clouds of plasma, swarms of nanobots, beings inside black holes? What if they're so far beyond us? We're like ants trying to understand the internet. And here's a thought that will keep you up tonight. What if they've already found us? What if they're watching right now, silently, like scientists observing animals in the wild? Would they ever reveal themselves? Or would they just wait? We don't know. Maybe we never will. But here's what we do know. Every time we look at the stars, we're asking the same question. Are we alone? And maybe, just maybe, someone out there is looking back, wondering the exact same thing. Until we find the answer, the question remains the greatest mystery in the universe.